Hello, shining stars. So, ready to start a new poem with your educator, Prajita? So, here we start with class 7 English class, and today we'll do a poem here that is Casabianca. Okay? It's chapter number 13, and it's a poem, and we'll read the poem about Casabianca. Who was Casabianca? Let's warm up first. The poem Casabianca tells about a real incident that occurred in 1798 during a sea battle between ब्रिटेन एंड फ्रांस. ब्रिटेन और फ्रांस के बीच में एक सी बैटल हुआ था. समुद्र में जो लड़ाई होती है उसे सी बैटल कहते हैं. दैट वाज इन 1798 और ये एक ट्रू इंसिडेंट है कैसाबियांका के बारे में. Young Casabianca was the son of the admiral of the French warship. अब फ्रेंच का जो वॉरशिप था उसके जो एडमिरल थे उनका बेटा था Casabianca. He was very young child. He remained at his post despite the fact that the ship had caught fire. उस शिप में आग लग गई थी, लेकिन वो अपने पोस्ट पर जहां उसको खड़ा किया गया था वहीं पे वो खड़ा रहा. He had received orders from his father not to abandon his post till he was told. क्योंकि उसके फादर ने उसको इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए थे कि जब तक उसे ना बोला जाए उसे अपना पोस्ट नहीं छोड़ना है. जहां वो है वहीं पे रहेगा. Now let's start the poem here. The boy stood on the burning deck, whence all but he had fled. जो कैसाबियांका था वो अपने डेक पे, बर्निंग डेक, जो शिप में आग लग गई थी. नाउ सी हियर, द शिप इज बर्निंग, लेकिन कैसाबियांका वहीं खड़ा है जहां से उसे भाग जाना चाहिए था. द फ्लेम दैट लिट द बैटल्स wreck shone round him over the dead. अब जो फ्लेम्स थी वो इतनी ऊंची ऊंची फ्लेम्स उठ रही थी. बैटल्स wreck जो शिप था, जो डूबता हुआ शिप था, जो जिस पे आग लगी थी शिप पे, वहां चारों तरफ इतनी तेज आग की लपटें थी, लेकिन कैसाबियांका अपनी जगह से नहीं हिला. Yet beautiful and bright he stood, as born to rule the storm, a creature of heroic blood, a proud though childlike form. He stood there, बिल्कुल अच्छे से खुशी खुशी खड़ा रहा वो वहाँ, ब्यूटिफुल एंड ब्राइट, जैसे कि स्टॉर्म से लड़ने के लिए वो तैयार है. जो भी आसपास जो भी आग जल रही थी उससे लड़ने के लिए वो तैयार था. A creature of, because he was the son of the admiral of French warship, and ऐसा लग रहा था, he was so proud to stand there because उसको पता था कि जब तक उसको इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं दिए जाएंगे उसके फादर से, वो वहाँ से नहीं हिलेगा. The flames rolled on. He would not go without his father's word. That father, faint in death below, his voice no longer heard. फ्लेम्स बढ़ती जा रही थी, बहुत ऊंची ऊंची आग की लपटें थी, और वहां से वो हिला नहीं. और क्यों नहीं हिला? क्योंकि उसको फादर के इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं मिले थे. जब तक उसको फादर के इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं मिलते वो वहां से नहीं जाता. लेकिन उसे ये नहीं पता था कि उसके फादर नीचे, ही वॉज अनकॉन्शियस देयर, फेंट हो गए थे वो, एंड his voice was no longer heard. He called aloud, "Say, Father, say, if yet my task is done." He knew not that the chieftain lay unconscious of his son. उसने जोर से आवाज लगाई अपने फादर को कि फादर, क्या मेरा टास्क हो गया है या मुझे अभी और रुकना है यहाँ पे? लेकिन उसको ये नहीं पता था कि उसके फादर जो है वो अनकॉन्शियस पड़े. Speak, father, once again he cried, if I may yet be gone. And but the booming shots replied, and fast the flames rolled on. उसने फिर से एक बार आवाज लगाई, स्पीक फादर, फादर बोलिए कि मुझे यहाँ से हटना चाहिए या मैं यहीं खड़ा रहूं. लेकिन वो जो फायर जो था, जब फायर बहुत तेज होने लगी तो बूमिंग शॉट्स, उसमें से शॉट्स की आवाजें आने लगी, चीजें जलने लगी इधर उधर शिप पे, और फ्लेम्स और ऊंची ऊंची आग की लपटें बढ़ने लगी. Upon his brow he felt their breath, and in his waving hair and looked from that lone post of death in still yet brave despair. उसको आसपास अपनी गर्माहट महसूस हो रही थी, उसके आईब्रोज के ऊपर द फ्लेम, जो फ्लेम इतनी आग की लपटें थी ऊंची ऊंची, उससे उसको गर्माहट महसूस हो रही थी और उसके हेयर्स में भी वो आग की लपटें लग रही थी, बट वो फिर भी वहां खड़ा रहा. And shouted but once more aloud, "My father, must I stay?" While over him fast through sail and shroud, the wreathing flames made way. एक बार फिर से वो जोर से चिल्लाया, फादर क्या मुझे यहीं रहना है? और ये जो द सेल एंड श्रोड, ये जो कपड़ा, एक क्लॉथ इज देयर, एक पोस्ट पे क्लॉथ लगा हुआ होता है शिप पे, वो भी जलने लगा था, उसमें तेज आग, उसने भी आग पकड़ ली थी. एंड दैट टू स्टार्टेड बर्निंग. द फायर्स मेड देयर वे. इधर उधर से जहां पे जो भी मिल रहा था फायर को वो जलाती चली जा रही थी. बट दैट चाइल्ड वॉज स्टिल देयर. They wrapped the ship in splendor wild. They caught the flag on high and streamed above the gallant child like banners in the sky. अब वो जो जिस पोस्ट पे वो कपड़ा लगा हुआ था, शिप पे एक होता है ना जो कपड़ा लगा हुआ होता है, उसी से विंड से वो शिप आगे बढ़ती है. That too caught fire. और उस बहादुर गैलेंट चाइल्ड में, बहादुर बच्चे के ऊपर से वो पीसेस में जल जल के फ्लो कर रही थी, जैसे कि बैनर किसी स्काई में जैसे बैनर फहराया जा रहा हो. There came a burst of thunder sound. The boy, oh, where was he? Asked of the winds that far around with fragments toward the sea. एक बहुत तेज बर्स्ट हुआ, आवाज आई, थंडर ब्लास्ट हुआ. And where was the boy? वो बॉय कहाँ था? नहीं दिखा वो बॉय. Ask of the winds that far around, जो हवा बह रही थी और उसी के साथ साथ जो कपड़ा बह के और शिप पे जो कुछ भी था वो जलता चला जा रहा था. But that child was not seen there. With mast and helm and pennon fair, that well had borne their part. But the noblest thing which perished there was the young faithful heart. जो जिस पोस्ट पे there's a iron post there, iron post होता है, एक पोल होता है उस पे जहाँ कपड़ा बंधा हुआ होता है, that also born apart. लेकिन सबसे जो अच्छी चीज वहां से perish means destroy हुई, that was वो brave बच्चा, वो जो brave लड़का था, he perished away. He was nowhere seen. उसे कहीं भी देखा नहीं गया, because वो वहां पे खड़ा, वो आग के साथ ही वो डिस्ट्रॉय भी हो गया, वो भी डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया, क्योंकि उसको पता था कि जब तक मेरे फादर इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं देंगे यहाँ से हटने के लिए, मैं यहाँ से नहीं हटूंगा. ही वॉज वेरी ब्रेव एंड वेरी फेथफुल टू हिज फादर. सो दिस पोएम इज रिटन बाय फेलिशिया हिमन्स. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ हियर आर सम वर्ड मीनिंग्स, गो थ्रू देम. इन वर्ड मीनिंग्स को अच्छे से पढ़िएगा. कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. Darken the correct option in OMR sheet. A creature of heroic blood refers to. Creature of heroic blood का क्या मतलब है? The young boy, the admiral of the ship, the sailors, none of these. Creature of heroic blood, वो किसका blood था? The admiral of the ship. Okay? The father was unconscious of his son because he had fainted. He could not hear the boy in the noise of the gunshots. He had died. He was feeling weak. आवाज क्यों नहीं सुनाई दी अपने बेटे की? Unconscious of his son means he had fainted. In they wrapped their ship in splendor wild. They refers to the sea around the ship, the wind that blew around the ship, the flames that engulfed the ship, the fragments toward the sea. They wrapped this ship in splendor white. They means the flames that engulfed the ship. क्योंकि शिप पे क्या था? आग ही तो जल रही थी, फ्लेम्स ही तो थी चारों तरफ. And shouted but once more aloud, "My father, must I stay?" This was the boy's last call to his father. Seventh call to his father, first call to his father, second call to his father. This was the last call to his father, जो तेज उचिल्लाया था. Now children, let's do the fill in the blanks. Here are some words given. We have to fill the blanks with correct options. Alive, shone, died, shouted, faithful heart, down. As the battle raged on, the flames shone. S-H-O-N-E. Young Casabianca called out his father many times, asking him if alive, if he was alive. Since Casabianca did not hear his father respond, जब उसने सुना कि उसके फादर रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहे, उसने देखा जब फादर की तरफ से कोई आवाज नहीं आ रही है, उसने क्या किया? He shouted. Alive. Casabianca was unaware that his father died. उसको ये नहीं पता था कि उसके फादर नहीं हैं. When the ship exploded, it lay dash in the wild blue sea. जब वो ship explode हुआ, क्योंकि उसमें आग थी और थोड़ी देर बाद वो explode हो गया ship, तो कहाँ गया? It lay down in the wild blue sea. And the noblest thing that perished in the battle was the faithful heart. Faithful heart. और वो faithful heart किसका था? Casabianca का. Say if the given statements are true, T, or false, F. The boy stood on the burning deck. Yes, this is true. The boy was cunning by heart. No. False. He was not at all cunning. The boy's father was the admiral of the French warship. True. T. The poem Casabianca tells about a fake incident. No, this is not a fake incident. This is a true incident. So, this is false here. So, children, now let's do some question answers here. Answer the following questions. Between which countries was the war fought in 1798? कौन सी countries के बीच में war हो रहा था? It was between France and Britain. Okay? France and Britain. Who was the admiral of the French warship? Casabianca's father. किसके father थे? Casabianca के father admiral थे French warship. Was Casabianca an obedient boy? Yes, he was a very obedient boy. Who died in this war? किसकी death हुई थी? Casabianca. Casabianca died in this war. Okay? Now let's move further. Vocabulary. The words creature and chieftain have the sound of T in common. Okay? T एक common sound है, creature. ये जो words दिए हैं, हम ये three words read करेंगे और इनमें से 2 words जो at least same sound कर रहे हैं, that we'll see to it. So children, now कौन से 2 words का sound इनमें से आ रहा है? Shun, yes, cash, sh, the sound. Okay? So underline this shun, and one more word has to be found. Shun, then reason, yes, tree, E, reason. So reason. Okay? Now grudge, bride, jug. अब यहाँ पढ़ेंगे j as in stage, I as in bridge, then U as in look. तो कौन सा sound आ रहा है? grudge, j, देखिए stage, yes. Underline this. Bride, bridge, yes, this is, and jug, no. So bridge, ये bridge वाला sound आ रहा है ना? Bride, I. Knit, kite, night. Here kit, king, fly. So kit, knit, yes, this is the same sound. King, no. Fly, kite, 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 kite king, yes, this kite. Throw, thought, then, father, the, then as in 10, T as in 10, and thin, thin. So throw, yes, throw is there, TH is there. Then thought, again thought is there, and then 10, then 10. Psychology, physics, and physiology. So Python, Python, any sound is matching? No. Physics, Python, no. Film, film, and hit, hit. So psychology, psychology, no. Physics, film, yes, this is matching. And any other word? Python, Python, physiology, physiology, fur, yes, this is matching. Okay, now recitation. The following tips will help you to recite a poem well. एक poem को कैसे recite करते हैं, कैसे पढ़ते हैं poem? Read slowly, don't rush through the poem. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए poem को, आराम आराम से पढ़ते हैं. You should know the meanings of the words in the poem you are reciting. Speak with confidence. Confidence के साथ poem को बोलना है. Modulate your voice and emphasize words that are important. Voice में changes लाने हैं, कहीं high pitch लेना है, कहीं low pitch करना है, and जो words important words हैं उन पे थोड़ा जोर डालना है. Don't pause at the end of every line. Pause only where there is a punctuation. जब आप poem read करते हैं तो जहाँ पे punctuation लगा होता है वहाँ पे pause करना चाहिए. हर एक line के last में जाके रुकना नहीं. Your expression counts. Recite with feelings. Now, some grammar here. Determiners. What are determiners? Determiners are words which identify or specify a noun in some way. Determiners वो words होते हैं जो कि एक noun को identify करते हैं या उसको specify करते हैं. They do not describe a noun. They determine it. वो describe नहीं करते हैं noun को, determine करते हैं. They point it out. वो point out करते हैं. Read the following phrases. The best teacher, that cow, some milk, my dress, every man. ठीक है? Point पे हो रहा that, the best teacher, that cow. The words in colors are determiners. Kinds of determiners. There are 6 kinds of determiners. 6 kinds होते हैं. First is article, a and the. Demonstratives, this, that, these, those. Possessive, my, mine, your, his. Distributives, either, neither, each, every. That's all you have read earlier. So ये सब चीजें जो है वो है determiners. Quantifiers, some, any, much, many, several. Then interrogatives, what, which, whose. Now fill in the blanks using any one of the words given in the box. Box में कुछ words दिए हुए हैं. You have to fill in the blanks. Let's read them first. This, neither, those, either, your, its, their, mine, each, every, each, again every is there. Dash child needs love and protection. Every child needs love and protection. So write down every here. Dash car is better than dash. This is there? Yes. This car is better than, or my is not there. So this car is better. This car is, we have filled this. This car is better than your. Fine? Okay, children, dash is the best news I have heard. Again, here you have to use this. This is the best news I have heard. The kangaroo carries dash baby in its pouch. The kangaroo carries its baby in its pouch. You can take dash route. You can take this route. Again, this is here. Take care of dash guest. take care of every guest. Or you can write those guests. Take care of those guests. Fine children, like this you have to fill the rest of the blanks. Now we move further. Fill in the blanks with some, any, much, many and several. These are all determiners. Ramesh has invited dash friends for dinner. Ramesh has invited some friends for dinner. Hussain was too tired to do dash work, to do any work. Dash trees were uprooted during the storm. Many trees were uprooted during the storm. Do you need dash help in this project? Do you need some help in this project? I have eaten dash rice today. I have eaten some rice today, or I have eaten much rice today. Many though it's not countable. So I have eaten some rice today. Now fill in the blanks with either or neither. अब यहाँ either या neither fill करना है. Mr. Sadiq has 2 vintage cars, but neither of them is in a running condition. Neither means कोई सी भी. A few years back, he could ride either of them. He even took part in the vintage rally where dash of them won a prize, where neither of them won a prize. किसी ने भी prize नहीं जीता. Therefore, he was too disheartened that he has stopped driving either of them. उनमें से किसी को भी drive करना बंद कर दिया. Now fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. Again, determiners have to be filled. ये एक conversation है between customer and salesman. Customer, please show me dash trousers. Those trousers. Salesman, here are the trousers we have of different brands. Customer, I think dash styles are further old-fashioned. These styles are old-fashioned. I don't like any of them. I don't like any of them. Okay, we are filling in the determiners only. So rest of them, please fill it yourself. अपने आप अब determiners आपको समझ में आ गए हैं. इसमें determiners fill करेंगे. Now fill in the blanks with determiners a or an or the to complete the sentence. Now you have to fill the articles here. He is dash oldest person in dash team. He is the oldest person in a team. In the team, sorry. He is the oldest person in the team. Sita made dash apple pie for me. Sita made an apple pie for me. Place dash egg in dash pot of boiling water. Place an egg in the pot of boiling water. Dash Eskimo lives in dash igloo made of ice and snow. An Eskimo lives in an igloo. Fine children, Holi is an auspicious festival of the Hindus. Dash empty vessel makes dash most noise. An empty vessel makes the most noise. Now rest of the blanks, fill it yourself. You know the articles very well. Again, you have to fill these with articles only. An old man was an eyewitness to the accident on the road. To an accident, okay? An eyewitness to the accident, okay, the will be filled on the road. And the last one, dash class 7 students. The class 7 students planned a party on the last day of the term. Okay, children? Now let's move further. Kanak has got a new job in London. The place where he is working is far away from the city. अब कनक को लंदन में जॉब मिली है, लेकिन वो जगह जहाँ वो रहता है वहाँ से सिटी से बहुत दूर है. He writes his feelings in his diary. Help him to write his diary. you may insert necessary determiners. अब यहाँ उसने एक डायरी एंट्री की है, उसने डायरी में कुछ लिखा है, अब इसको कंप्लीट कैसे करना है, हमें determiners fill करने हैं इसमें. Here 19 September, the date has been put, where he lives, London, and the time is there. It's been 2 weeks and I'm already tired of this place. It takes me an hour. Okay, write down and here. It takes me an hour every day to commute to my workplace. I would like to live near the city with all the modern amenities. I live alone and eat out a lot and like to use an internet every day. I want a 1-room apartment and a bus depot nearby to reach my workplace on time. Tomorrow I will convey my feelings to the office in charge. Okay? Now edit the following. Write the correct determiner a and a the in the blanks. If no determiner is required, put a cross mark. Again, you have to fill this with determiners, children. Now you have very well known about the determiners. Go ahead with this. Complete कीजिएगा इसको. Complete the conversation between a mother and a daughter by filling in the blanks with suitable determiners. Again, this has to be filled with the determiners. Dash class is organizing a picnic. My class is organizing. Humaira and mother. ये conversation किस में है? एक daughter and mother के बीच में. Humaira, our class is organizing a picnic to the Millennium Park tomorrow. Mother, what is the cost of the picnic? Humaira, it is rupees 150 per child. It includes the cost of travel, entry ticket and snacks. Mother, how many teachers will accompany the students? Humaira, 2 teachers will accompany us. We will go by our school bus. Okay, school bus. Mother, what are you taking with you to eat and drink at the park? Humaira, we are planning to take, no determiner to be used here. कोई determiner नहीं आएगा. We are planning to take cake and apple pie, some chips and a bottle of lemonade. Okay? So we have done so many determiners here, so many exercises of determiners. Now speaking skills, speaking about nature. Now you can work in a group. अब nature के बारे में discussion करना है तो अपने क्लास में बच्चों का group बनाइए and each student to take up one topic related to nature. कोई हर एक बच्चा एक एक टॉपिक लेगा नेचर के ऊपर, लाइक स्नो, फ्लावर्स, ट्रीज. नेचर में कितनी सारी चीजें हैं, रेन, सन. देन ईच स्टूडेंट हैज टू स्पीक बिगिनिंग विद द सेंटेंस इफ देयर वाज और इफ देयर वर या वाज नॉट. इससे स्टार्ट करना है सेंटेंस. लाइक एक बच्चा, जैसे इट्स एन एग्जाम्पल, अ स्टूडेंट स्पीकिंग अबाउट ट्रीज वुड से, अगर जिसके पास ट्रीज का टॉपिक है वो क्या बोलेगा, इफ देयर वर नो ट्रीज we wouldn't have any life on earth. Okay, so in this way you have to interact amongst yourself and speak about the nature on different topics. Writing skills. Imagine you are Casablanca. अभी आपने Casablanca के बारे में पढ़ा. Imagine करिए आप वो हैं. Your father speaks to you and you are able to jump off the burning ship and survive. अब वहाँ उस सिचुएशन में कैसाब्लांका के फादर ने तो कोई रिप्लाई नहीं दिया था, लेकिन आपके फादर ने अगर आपको बोला है तो आप जंप कर गए हैं सी में फ्रॉम दैट बर्निंग शिप. राइट अ पेज इन योर डायरी डिस्क्राइबिंग व्हाट हैपेंड ड्यूरिंग द डे. योर राइटिंग शुड रिफ्लेक्ट दैट व्हाट द चाइल्ड्स थॉट्स एंड फीलिंग्स वर थ्रू आउट द डे. फाइन, अपने आप को कैसाब्लांका बनाइए और ये इमेजिन कीजिए आपके फादर ने आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन दे दिए हैं और आप वहाँ से बर्निंग शिप से जंप कर गए. योर फीलिंग्स, योर एक्सप्रेशंस यू हैव टू राइट. द वैल्यूज. डिस्कस द क्वालिटी, ओबीडियंस ऑफ कैसाब्लांका. कैसाब्लांका कैसा बच्चा था? एक ओबीडियंट बच्चा था. ही वॉज वेरी ओबीडियंट फॉर हिज फादर. डिस्कस अबाउट योर बिहेवियर टूवर्ड्स योर पेरेंट्स. अब आप कैसे हैं, आपका बिहेवियर कैसा है अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए, पेरेंट्स के साथ, दैट यू हैव टू think over it. Okay? Now children, here we end up with this poem, and I hope you like this poem and you have learned many things from this poem also. So stay blessed and stay tuned for the new video. We'll meet again with a new chapter. Till then, bye and have a very nice time.